What's up, happy people in Facebook land, YouTube land, Daily Motion, Instagram, what's the name of that? Tumblr and stuff like that. Well, I'm not on Instagram or Tumblr or Daily Motion because I don't make videos on Daily Motion no more. They switched up Daily Motion and I'm locked out of it. Okay, well never mind that though. Okay, well oh well. Dominoes Seven is here with this Facebook Live vlog. Okay, there's a lot of people birthday today. This girl named Lovable Nisha, I'd like to wish her a happy birthday. Okay, and Bianca Stark's birthday was the other day. She ain't even called me and said thank you for the birthday wish. So some best friend that is. Well, never mind that though. Okay. All right. Bianca Stark's birthday was on the 7th, long ago. You know. I'd like to wish a happy birthday to my friend Trent. Okay. So happy birthday to him too. All right. Yes, indeed. Okay. Doing this Facebook Live vlog and stuff like that in my own house and stuff like that. Very peaceful and not sticky. All right. So, uh, if only I learn how to do an Instagram and put it on YouTube, then bam, I know what I'm doing and I got it good. If I could do this Instagram live and upload to YouTube, I don't know how people could do that. I really don't know how. Okay. What's up? Anybody watching? Until I upload this to YouTube and stuff like that. Facebook live vlog and stuff like that. Waiting on my best friend Nala to come. Okay, so she won't be here until later. So for those that's watching, hello everybody, good day everybody. Okay, let's go out here. Uh, do y'all want to look at the sky with me? Always having trouble with. There, it's cloudy out here, huh? Look out here. There's some clouds and stuff over there. It rained earlier. Yep, it rained earlier, but it ain't gonna rain again until later. Okay. All right. So anyway, or a neighbor came out. So anyway, folks. Hey, your mom home? Oh, is she busy? Well, I gotta talk to my neighbor. Okay, so I'll talk to y'all later. Well, the neighbor came out, spoke for a while. Okay, never mind that. Okay. Oh, never mind. But anyway, as I was saying, folks, neighbor's busy right now. So anyway, do y'all want to look at the sky with me again? I don't want to catch nobody. All right, look at the sky. Sky's the limit. All right. Yes, indeed. It's high as a kite out here. Mm-hmm. Well. My best friend Nala gonna come in a couple of hours though. Okay. So we got it big. We got it made. Okay. So anyway, pretty soon, one of these days, Dominoes Seven is gonna move into a brand new house. Okay. Facebook vlog 2. So doing it big, doing it off top. Okay. Like Cash Money Baby would say, or Juvenile or BG. Well, actually, he don't call himself Baby no more. Call himself Birdman. Okay. Yes, indeed, yo. All right. I was looking behind me because I was just looking behind me. That's all. Okay. I mean, yes indeed, Woody. I got this good. My friend D Weezy, Dwayne Payne, D Payne, I should say. You know, I wonder if he watching this video. You know, whoever else is watching, what's up, Woody? Huh? We got it. Okay, we got it going on. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. All right. I'm sure my auntie is watching though. Okay. Uh huh. Got to be careful what the hell I'm saying though. You know, cause I don't know who else is watching Dominoes Seven. You know, I definitely don't know who watching Dominoes Seven. Okay. Anybody could be watching Dominoes Seven. You heard me? Uh huh. Just felt like vlogging on this special day. Okay. Got my Facebook book vlog in 3 or 2. Mm. I might as well vlog on the inside though. Okay. Okay, so all right then. So I better stop this tape on this Facebook Live. Okay. Eventually upload to YouTube. If I have something to say, I'll be back. Well, I might as well do a 3-part session. You know, my AT is watching. Hopefully. Well, unless you come over and watch my show with me, you know. I need to get a new Nintendo Wii plug for my whatchamacallit, so I can charge up my what you call it for my Wii U, you know. One of my brother's friends stole my goddamn Nintendo plug, you know. And then my stupid ass brother was defending them, saying, "What was somebody want with a Nintendo plug?" I bet I knew who it was, you know. I'm so goddamn glad. I'm so goddamn glad that I go rid of that jerk. Yep. Woo. Well, it's a shame for me to talk like that though. Okay. All that fake crying and stuff like that. Well, never mind all that though. I don't know why I'm talking like this. You know, Dominoes 7 is the man. You know, I do need to be careful what I'm saying because I don't know who watching this video. I mean, I don't hate on nobody because I don't know who watches Dominoes 7. You know, a 3-part vlog of this. You know. Cause whatchamacallit probably watching, I don't know, okay? Anybody else watching, what's up, you know? So I got it made, you hear me? I may not have a car, but at least I live on my own though, you know. Take care of my twin brother and everything. And everything else, you know. And Dominoes 7 gonna have a brand new house, you know. So look at this house. Y'all think I should decorate this with video game posters? Do y'all think I should? Look at my game right there, the Sega Genesis, and the oh, my AT's watching. Hey, thank you. All right, okay. They go to Sega Genesis, the Super Nintendo. Sega Genesis. Yeah, so anyway, my auntie was featured on my show before, you know. That was Mother's Day about 3 years ago, I do believe, you know. 2015, she was featured on my show when I after church and stuff like that, you know. Yes indeed. So she gonna be on my show very soon, okay? All right. Yes indeed. She gave it a big thumbs up. Okay. Well, a 3-part, or probably it ain't gonna be no 4-part, you know. Well. So y'all, so y'all think I should decorate? No, I ain't gonna decorate this place with no with no video game posters and stuff like that. But on a serious side, I'll do that when I get to my new house. Okay, I got some video game posters out of this world, out of this world, da, out of this world, da. Okay, out of this world, da. Like lightning bolt, the super squall, what am I talking about? The super squall or something like that, or something, or something. Oh well, I better stop this damn tape. Oh, wait a minute. Never mind stopping this tape. Well, this gonna be in reruns anyway. Okay, depends on how many people watch this or chicanery or whatever. being the only dude that's just jokesters and stuff like that. Sorta. That's it. Bye bye, folks.